Hey guys, today we are going to show you how to work with this lovely soap base. To begin with, you will need silicone mold, food colorant or cosmetic colorant, and some soap base. Our soap base is made of coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, glycerin and many more environmental friendly ingredients. It's ready shredded. You can use it straight from the packet. You can microwave it or do a double boil to melt it. I'm using double boil method here. Stir it lightly, use a spatula or any tool just to make sure the soup base is fully melted. Here we will do 100% soup base pour into this square silicone mold. That's the easiest way and totally natural. Please be reminded if you are adding milk, please follow the ratio given on our website. Next, we are going to add on some red colorant. You can always pour in milk, fragrance, vitamin, dried flowers, or seeds to give the soap some texture and more benefits to concentrate on your skin type. Once you are happy, stir them together. If the soap base gets a bit hard, you can always melt it again. We are going to try this colored soap with a baby silicone mold. Pour the soap in and let it sit until it's dry and hardened. Next, you can easily pop them out from the mold. Then you have this lovely handmade soap. That's pretty much it. We are done. It's very easy. This handmade soap is perfect for gift giving and it feels moisture, silky and smooth on skin. Suitable for all skin type. Please like, share and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Enjoy crafting. Bye bye.